What's up guys, KS Videos back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. So you start off with a piece of paper, you fold it, I think that's long ways, long ways like that, no, width ways like that. Let me quickly set up the camera in maybe like a better position like that. Is that a better position? Gotta set up the camera in a better position so you guys, it's easier for you guys to see. Okay, I guess that's a better position. So you take a piece of paper, fold it like that. You open it up. You fold the corners in up to the line. So you fold the corners in up to the line like that, and then you want to fold in the corners again like this, like that. You do the same to the other side too. So far your plane should look like this. And if you need to, you can slow this down. Then all you need to do, just fold it like that. Make sure it's folded. Then take this part. Then you need to fold this bit down to here. So you gotta try to fold it like this bit down to here. So like that bit down to there, so like that. Then do the same to the other side, and then your paper airplane will be done. So this is a paper airplane design that I was going for, and I'll show you how it flies. It goes, oh damn, oh god, you fell. Sorry about that. But that flew pretty well. Pretty well. So guys, that's how to make a paper airplane, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!